look at this.
Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, everybody. This is David Esquire coming to you live from EPHQ. Did that good. EPHQ. And welcome to another episode of Raw 365, where we're going to get real, authentic, and not sometimes a little bit weird, if you know what I mean. So today's topic is, what is your favorite quote and how does it inspire you? For me, I would have to have a couple of them. It's not just like one. I've got two that stick out, like when I think about that particular topic. The first one that comes to mind is creativity is more important than knowledge. Anybody can stand on the shoulders of giants and use that knowledge, but not everybody can take a blank canvas and whatever it is that you're doing and you're creating with and fill it up, because in my opinion, in my humble opinion, I-M-H-O, not I'm a hoe, but just I-M-H-O, to fill up a blank canvas with what's here and execute on that and put it here in front of you, like here, ooh, that looks kind of cool, like here, that's kind of cool. Is really, that's pretty awesome. Not everybody can do that. And the other quote that comes to mind is from The Replacements. Some of y'all thought was probably going to be reciting or citing the Matrix, you know, there is no spoon. No, but it is another movie with Keanu Reeves. It's The Replacements with Keanu Reeves and Gene Hackman. And in the movie, towards the end, Keanu Reeves says, "Pain heals, chicks dig scars, glory lasts forever." That applies to all forms of art if you really think about it. Just dive into that quote. It's phenomenal. Pain heals. You fall flat on your face and you suck at whatever it is that you did. Who cares? Pick it up. Chicks dig scars. Everybody loves a good story about what it is that you created, and glory lasts forever. Your artwork can go on and on and on and on and on and on and on. It could go on, like to infinity and beyond. So totally think about the things that inspire you. There's some phenomenal quotes that are out there. And if you've got some you want to share, you know what to do. Share them in the comments below. And if you are a new follower, go ahead and click the bell, ding dong, ching chang, walla walla, bing bang. Follow, subscribe, like, comment, share. You know, like, comment, share. And until next time, you know what to do. Let's wrap this up. So that's it. And this is David Esquire coming to you live from EPHQ. EPHQ with another episode of Raw 365, where we get real, authentic, and weird. And until next time, remember to do one thing properly. And you know what it is? Stay caffeinated. Oh, yeah. And I'll see you soon. Have you figured it out yet, you guys? Come on. I know you guys got to know what that is from. All right. I'll see you soon. Okay. Or hit the button now. Just, you know, that button right down there. Hit it. Okay. There you go. I did the Esquire. Okay, goodbye.